So if you're on your Roku TV and you're noticing that there might be a little bit of quality issues, like the screen's just a little bit blurry, I'm gonna give you a few things to check. First, starting with the Roku settings. So if you go into settings, right, and then we go down to where is it? I missed it. Display type. Okay, this causes a lot of issues sometimes because the wrong display type is selected, right? So this TV is actually, it's older, right? I've had this TV for over 10 years. It is a 1080p TV. You can see that I have 4K selected, right? So that might cause some issues. So make sure that your TV and the resolution that you're choosing actually line up. If they're different, that could cause some issues with the blurriness. Okay. Now, also, you want to check your HDMI cable. If you're looking for 4K TV and you're using an old HDMI cable that's not HDMI 2.0, that is going to cause some issues. Older HDMI cables, they can't handle 4K. So if you're expecting some cable that was produced before 2015 to render 4K, it's not going to work. I'll drop a link to a 4K capable cable that you can use if you need it. Now, you're also going to want to check the settings. Now, I'm doing this on a Sony TV, so it doesn't really make sense for me to walk you through the steps because they're going to be different on every TV, but your display settings. So your sharpness, make sure that your sharpness isn't turned up too much because sometimes TVs are shipped with their sharpness turned way up. And what that does is cause a little distortion on the details, right? And they're doing that because they want the picture to seem better than it actually is, but that can cause some blurriness. So make sure that your sharpness is selected and properly set. And then look for other options like enhancer or um, HD enhance. These are different selections within the TV itself, not the Roku, the TV that could be causing blurriness. But those are the main things that you're going to want to check. To get your blurry picture fixed. So I hope that helps. If it does, like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.